Karnataka Pradesh Mahila Congress President Kabaderu KMLA Barim Kabalong Menta ka All Indian Congress Committee Kabapet Barkmi yaka East Khasi Hills District ka Somya Ready Habakran Shikilat Pathai Khubor haka Kharkhandai Tarik Rempang ha Congress Bhavan kalaong ba ka Congress Party kadeka Party kabala Rimtam Henry Dunkam ban Pynkhlain yaka Rukom Treikam jaka Party lengba kijing ai jing mud bat ban penbet thama yaki Rukom Treikam ka seng nakabenta ke election ka bansawan Shushu kalapan pau ya kajing dan kam ban Pynkhlain nadu kiba natenrai. Kalaban rap da kabaong baka seng kan pitbenya abat bishar. Halor kajing Treikam juga seng bat kilat kilenti ban Pynkhlain ya ka. Kalakan tho ya ka Bharatiya Janata Party kaba lalam khmat da ka National Democratic Alliance da kabaong na ka Congress hapo ka Indian National Developmental Inclusive Alliance India kilara ekimat na kabenta upad ba bat ban Pynkhlain hai kijela ba pher kalaban rap ru daga baong ba ka seng kan Pynkhlain bat treshitom hakini kisngi bat ki por banwan.
So we're just actually starting this whole process. The first step is actually to do the press conference, and so that is this. And after doing the press conference, we will have a meeting, a district level meeting. All the leaders of the districts, be it all the frontal bodies, and after doing a district level meeting, then we plan to do meetings at each and every assembly as well. I think that's 10 assemblies in the entire district. And of course, as much as possible, we also want to do block level meetings and all meet all, be it Mahila Congress, Youth Congress, and even civil society as well. Almost 12 years in the central government. It's very unfortunate that the BJP government, and now there is an NDA government, and which is basically, they spoke about Achhe Din, but nobody in the entire country has really seen Achhe Din. And we as opposition, the India Alliance, and of course Congress, we have been actively speaking up, be it our AICC President Kharge sir, and of course Rahul Gandhi ji, and all the leaders as well. Not just at the parliament, but also we are trying to strengthen in each and every state as well. Because you know that next about almost 2 years, we're going to have elections in this state as well. And this is one way for us to see what has happened, and also so that we can do course correction, and also we can learn from what's happened, and also we can boost a lot of people. I also want to come to the party, join, and also we basically come from, I as a neutral person, we see what has happened and what's not happened, and then so that we can strengthen the party in the state as well. That's why we are doing this process, because to look at what has happened and how we can improve. So that, because people are also really fed up of the present government in the state as well. And people are also seeing, there is what I've also noticed when I'm speaking to people, common people, is that there is a lot of people like Congress. There are people who have voted for Congress, and so we want to have this introspection so that we can prepare better for the next upcoming elections. So this is a part of the whole process as well. Of nationwide exercise that, and especially this exercise is going on around the entire state of Meghalaya. This is also happening in about 4 other states as well as we speak. This is called as Sangathan Srijan Abhiyan. So what exactly is this process? Is that we come from a party, that is Indian National Congress, which is very democratic, and we also believe in internal democracy as well. So people like me who are EICC observers, who are completely neutral, we are traveling across the entire district of which in charge has been given to us. We are meeting we are having meetings in every assembly in the district, and also the block presidents and Mahila Congress, Youth Congress, all frontals, and also even the civil society. The whole intention is to strengthen the Congress. And this particular process is specifically to strengthen the party at the district level. So I really want to thank all the leaders and coordinators as well who have come here, who have organized this meeting today. I want to thank each and every one of you. And so we are basically doing this evaluation. This happens in every state. 3 months ago, I was in Andhra Pradesh. We are doing it now in 5 states. And so we basically, this is an application for the president for DCC, that's a District Congress Committee. And whoever is, in fact, interested, applicable, so they can give us inputs as to how to serve people better, how we can strengthen the party, and ensure that we take everyone's inputs, be it women, be it youth, be it even the issues, that there are a lot of local issues, ensuring that we basically speak up for people, and at the end of the day, we strengthen the party. You and I know that Indian National Congress Party is one of the oldest parties, and I personally am very, very proud to belong to this party. Even in this state as well, there is a very long and rich contribution of the Indian National Congress Party's governments. But yes, I'm also aware of the fact that in the past decade and a half or so, we are in a little difficult phase, and this is precisely the reason why we are doing this process, this exercise in all the districts, and especially in Meghalaya as well. As we speak, this is also happening in Manipur, this is happening in Nagaland, and also Uttar Pradesh. And through you, I want to share that anybody can take this form, and they can apply. And be it all the frontal organizations, be it women, be it civil society, be it young people, be it issues related to farmers, and anything and everything, we are here to speak up for people, and we are here to strengthen the party. And Indian National Congress, irrespective of what background we belong to, what caste, religion, um, gender, we belong, we believe in equality, and that's precisely why this is a completely transparent and accountable and democratic process as well. So through you, through media, I would request that we spread the word across the entire district, and of course across the entire state, that whoever is interested can get in touch with us to join the party, to serve people better. Thank you so much.